You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
Adolf Bapu Hitler topic is that do we care for time? Question mark.
Good evening, all of you guys. As you know all about myself, Bapu is here to define one topic. So guys, today my topic is that do we care for time? You know, if we see in this topic, so time is so precious for every person in his life. If you know guy he wanted to do anything, so he must consider the time. If the guy he will not see the time, so person will never ever will go ahead. So that is the thing. Many of guys, you know, they always see time. They say, you know, now I will learn after 1 hour, I will learn after 2 hours. So by this, they cannot go ahead. Must consider your time, must give value your time. Without giving value, person cannot go ahead. If we see in the world, so many of person came, they did great for their nation. They did great for their all over the world. If we see like Nelson Mandela, he was a man, did great for black people in South Africa, and still people recalling his name. Not only his friend, but also his againster, his enemy. They are also recalling the name of Nelson Mandela. Why? Because that man was great. Give support, give value to his time. He didn't waste his time in using Facebook and using YouTube. Here, all students they just waste their time using Facebook, YouTube, and many of vulgar websites they are using. They are not considering on his book. Should give time to your book. You all are students and you are the future of Pakistan. So must give time in a good place, not in a bad place. If you will give time in a bad place, then you will be a Saikin Zardari or Nawaz Sharif. If you will give time in a education in a good place, then you will be a Saikin Allama Iqbal or Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So that is a thing.
Give it time.
Yeah, you Mr. You know your name.
Dear brothers, we really care about time. So what about those 5 years which we had spent with Asif Ali Zardari? On the time when you were, so we lost many things, but we don't care anything. So what about those 5 years? Here you were just taking care of one single second. And what about those 5 years? Give me answer.
As you are saying, what about 5 years? So on that time I was a prime minister or president, army chief, but I was nothing. First thing, wanted to clear you. You are saying give me, 5 years, what they did. You know very well what they did in 5 years. Because of that previous 5 years, today we are facing a lot of inflation in Pakistan. Because of previous 5 years. On that time we didn't say which guy is good. You type of person, they were using Facebook. They were not seeing on the guy either he is good or bad. We just give time to Facebook. So that is the thing. And second, as you talk about, you are just considered 1 second. 1 second and 1 minute is precious than many of times. Why? Because in 1 minute, America killed million, above than 1 lakh person in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, throw 1 atom bomb. So that is the time. That is just 1 second. In 1 button, America can blast any of country. So 1 minute, 1 second is so precious. Don't consider that 1 second and 1 minute is nothing. For you is nothing. For us, for great person, it's a lot.
See guys, according to this man, if I give you example of one weapon or one gun, so brother, it can be used in a two way. There is one person who is doing robbery, who is snatching, who is doing brutality and terrorism by the weapon. Or if I talk about one soldier or honest soldier with his nation, he is saving, he is defending his own country. Same as you were giving the example of YouTube, Facebook, accepted many people use in a bad way. But what about those people, those students? They are not wasting their time buying books. Then whether they are having an ebook on the internet and they are using in a very great way. If you talk about that these whole things are useless, who was our company? She also used these things that by working in computer and by using these things she made our country name on the top. But here you were here and you were saying that one of my friend used the vulgarity. Does the know what's the bad thing? So what do you think the whole the students you are blaming here the whole students of our nation, brother?
Mr. Mustafa, you said right. Each thing have two uses, one good and one bad. By the petrol, person can burn himself, and by the petrol, person can protect his country to fill their jet. Okay, so that is the thing. I also mentioned in my presentation that many of person they are using Facebook and YouTube and seeing the vulgar thing. I didn't say that this all the thing is bad for humanity. No, I said this all thing is good, but it's up to you where you are using. You type of student that's used in bad manner in a bad thing. I also said searching good thing on internet it's beneficial for you. I didn't say that man don't use YouTube, don't use Facebook, use it, but in a good way, not in a bad way. So you are totally agree with me. Sign on my statement.
See, Mr. Babu, they are the future of Pakistan, but you are a barbadi of Pakistan. Listen, brother, right now, so why your name is not in the history of our Pakistan? Why you are not in the, if they are wasting their time in the internet, so what you are doing in the bathroom? So brother, why you are wasting time in the bathroom, brother? You should do for yourself. They are all advisors, they all came to here. Some is saying Nelson Mandela, some is, what is this, brother? Why you are not accepting their rules in your life, brother? Why your name is not in the top? So brother, you should save yourself, give advice to them. Brother, still you are not.
Captain, check his pocket. Must everyone check. Just one question to ask to that guy also and that guy also. What you done in your life? What you done in your life? Just one question you are having and asking again and again this thing. Ask about new thing any. You are not having anything new. According to me, you are having nothing. Just one question. What you did? What you did? What you will done? What is that, man? And second, as you are saying, you said that at the time, but why you didn't do any of things? So minimum, I'm giving a great words to the great people. So it's not enough. Many of person, they came, they just give the great words. Like Qaid-e-Azam, like Allama Iqbal, like Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Say they take gun and fought with anyone. No, they just give words. As Bapu also giving just word by my word. They all will awake and will do great thing for the nation.